Hello. This is a toilet. My head is down it. I rub this filming. It makes it funny. This toilet I made myself. I'm just showing how versatile it is. It can stand anything. See? It can stand puke. It can stand shits. Just like this. Oh no, I can't stand it. The only thing is, it can't flush. Cut.